The term ambient occlusion is said to have come from the 3D software developers in the mid to late 90s. Ambient occlusion is that area of the shadow family that receives the least amount of reflected or bounced light. It is the darkest part of the shadow family. How light or dark, hard or soft the ambient occlusion gets depends on the proximity to the other surfaces. If there are two surfaces that are very close to each other, the ambient occlusion will be dark and hard. It will be lighter and softer if the surfaces move away. For your assignment, you will draw a circle, shade it evenly with a 2H pencil. Then using your kneaded eraser, you will pick out a highlight. You will then mark the center light area by putting a ring around it with a 2H pencil. Then you will put in the light form light, midtones and dark form light using the 2H and HB pencils respectively. The change in tonal value is subtle. You will then use the HB pencil to draw in the terminator or shadow line. You will then add the core shadow using the 2B pencil. Then you will shade the remaining part of the circle in the shadow using the HB pencil. This is the form shadow. Now in the form shadow area, you will use your kneaded eraser to draw in the reflected light. Using the terminator, you will draw in the cast shadow and shade it in with the HB pencil. Now you will shade in the ambient occlusion using the 2B pencil. You will do this exercise every day. If you have got any value from this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more.